Let's tie your wrap skirt as a long skirt. So remember I told you about the anatomy of the green skirt. It is a long side and a short side, okay? To wear it as a long skirt, we're gonna take the long side and wrap it around the bod. I usually like to start with one edge at my left hip and then swirl it around and tie it in a knot here, wherever it's fitting you. Sometimes I have a long tie and sometimes like I just need all the room I can get, and so I tie it more towards the end. And I'll show you what that looks like. The way this is designed, because you wrap it twice around the body, it kind of gives you this like compression effect. So it just feels really good, but not like too squeezy. This is the tall length I have on now. I'm 5'5". I use the regular length, but for our tall girlies, this size you're gonna love here. Okay, so there's a few ways that you can wear it as a long skirt, and it all has to do with the knot placement. So right now I have the knot placed at the center. This is probably my favorite way to wear it. I think it's really flattering on my proportions, but I like to take these little ends and tuck them in just because it gives the look a little more of an elegant and minimal flair. When you leave the ties out, you can totally leave them out, but it gives it a more like casual vibe. So consider where you're going, and you can choose to tuck them in or leave them out. So what I love to do is create this V shape in the front, whether it's high-waisted or whether I place it more as a low-rise kind of V shape, which is really sexy. So you can put the knot at the center as a low-rise with a V front. You can wear it just as a low-rise. So you can also place the knot at the left or the right side, and I'll show you what happens when you do that. When you move it here over to the left, you get this draped part on the front. So it gives you a little more like tummy coverage if that's your vibe, if that's what you're feeling today. And you can get that nice cupped booty look, which I love the look of this here. You can also move this to the back, moving the knot over here to your right side. And that gives a cleaner look in the front with a little more drape at the booty. You can see that. Okay? The other way you can wear this is with this knot at the back. So I just shimmied it around to the back. I'm going to wrap it, then zhuzh the skirt. And we do that by pulling out the fabric in this like plucking motion, like you're playing a harp or a guitar. And what this does is it resets these foldings across your tummy and across your hips so that they're a little more even and it's not so bunched up. So you want to wrap it first, and then you want to spend time zhuzhing it. So what I'm doing right now is just plucking it out. And as you can see here, it's getting this nice kind of even line to where I look like I am chiseled out of marble at the Met. And what you can also do here is place this knot at your tailbone, like right here. And then you can move the front of the waistline up like this, and keep this one at the back so you get this sexy skirt shape in the back to where that kind of, it really accentuates the curves here. I love that. So these are all the ways to wear your anywhere wrap skirt as a long skirt. If it's coming too long for you, like right now, I'm wearing the tall and I'm not in the size bracket for a tall skirt. So I would definitely want to wear this one with heels. But if you'd like to shorten the skirt, check out our other tutorial about tying this as a midi skirt. There we have it.